Yes, it finally came. I can't believe it. It came. Yes, guys, you see what's on the screen? The black Cryolophosaurus. This is like, I thought it would come on in a few days later, but it came today. So I ordered this off of eBay a few days ago. And it said it would come May 14th, but it came today. I am super happy about that. And it does roar, you just gotta take this thing out. So, let's unbox it. I'm just gonna get my scissors. Now I gotta... And then I gotta take this out. I gotta take this thing out. And then... This is beautiful, I'm telling you. So, I love the black. It's not really black, it's more of a bluish color. I mean, yeah, let's just take a look at the paint job. I love how they, yeah. I love how they put all this, like, splatter of white on it. It's kind of like a goldish color, as you can see right there. Yeah, I really like that they decided to do that. Sorry, I'm just putting this back. And I also, they splattered a little bit of the orange too, which is cool. And and the claws look pretty good too, and they all look pretty good. The sounds are the same as my orange Cryolophosaurus. I will compare them later. So, yeah, and this, they did a little bit of the splattering with color, and the eye job looks very great. And it's pretty much the same thing, but just, they still have the white belly. They still have the white belly. Yeah, from the black. And yeah, it pretty much looks the same. And the teeth, how they painted the teeth was really good. Has the same articulations. And as you can see on the back, that's what it, yeah. That's pretty much what it looked like with the Primal Shack one, but like different color, and didn't have this. And the box looks different. And I never thought this would actually come today. So that's pretty cool. And I just love this figure. Still have the same articulations, and like, I will compare it with the orange Cryolophosaurus now. I did not bring that outside. I don't know why. But I will do a comparison a little bit later in the video. So yeah. This figure I like a lot. Now I think I'm gonna go get my orange one. No, wait. No. It has the same, like, and this thing looks the same. It's just, I don't know why this looks a little bit different than this, the coloring. That's a little bit of a darker orange, and this is a little bit of a lighter orange. And then still can move the hands, and the feet look pretty good too. Didn't decide to paint the claws. I actually like that. And then the same, everything's pretty much the same. Yeah, pretty much. And then, yeah, I forgot to take a look at the box, so let's just do it now. Put you aside for now. So the box, pretty much the same, but it says Cryolophosaurus on it. Sound Strike, Camp Cretaceous, Primal Attack, Mattel, Carnotaurus Toro, Brooklyn, Darius, and Kenji, as always. And then the sound thing, and then Netflix original series in the back. I showed you before, but it has the green Sinoceratops. And then the Baryonyx grin. So that is pretty cool. So, yeah, I really like this figure. 1 second, I'm gonna go get my black Cryolophosaurus. I'll be right. So I got my yellow. So yeah. All I can really say is I love this figure a lot. It's pretty much the same as the other one. So if you liked this video, and you've been watching my channel for a pretty long time and haven't subscribed yet, maybe you should do that now. Bye, have a great day.